Okay, this is the part 2 to test the voltage across the cable to make sure the fuses works. Okay, in order for you to do that, this is the view of the multimeter, and if you want to test it for the voltages and stuff like that, just put that prom into here. Sorry for the autofocus, and plug this one, the other one on the other side. Sometimes because the polarity doesn't flow the same way, sometimes you have to switch the poles in order to make it work. So just try a double side before you conclude it's the fuse, it's the blown fuse. Okay, all right. Okay, now let's go ahead and test it to make sure the fuse works. And you can see there's you will see there is a jump on the voltmeter. Okay, as you can see here, there is a good 12 volt coming through it. This is where I pressed down, and when I pressed up, it's negative 12 because of switch polarity. That means that concludes that the fuse works. So okay, now I have to plug the plug back into the motor. Okay, once you know the fuse works, that means it's your motor. But please don't conclude to the motor is blown or something like that. I always think of that, but I actually did some research. I don't see there's a lot of reason why the motor will blown at the same time a motor will went off all of a sudden. And then I conclude that because the heat in Florida, it will create, when the metal heats up, it will expand. I think that might be there's pressure that holds the window up and won't let it come down. Okay, and next of all, what I did was I loosened up the fastener to the screw that holds the motor to the panel, which is held by this screw right here and that screw right here. The reason why you see there's a drill hole is because that the Ford, when they manufacture it, they actually forgot to drill holes on these things, on the panel. So I have to drill holes on it. I hope you guys don't have that problem, but if you do, just use the drill to drill through, but don't damage the fasteners. You cause big problems. Okay, what I did was, this is already working, as you can see. As you can see, it works because I just took that off. Both screws at the same time. And because there is lips that catch on the panel, I have to use something that ply it off. I use the tools like this, you know, go behind the thing, just ply that motor off that panel just for a little bit. Once this motor completely comes off the panel, all you gotta do is press down and up. Make sure your hand's out of the way to cause serious injury. You press up and down, and this will disalign, but don't worry. Basically, you have to just go up and down, play with it until you see there's alignment. Make sure it lines up back to the panel. If it doesn't line up perfectly, all you have to do is just wiggle the motor to have it line up, and then once you get that done, your window will be in working condition. All you gotta do is screw those screws back in, and you're good to go. Alright, thank you very much, YouTube watcher, and hopefully this tutorial will help you fix your window or help you some other way to troubleshoot your window. And thank you very much for watching, and my name is Michael Huang, and thanks for watching again. Goodbye, YouTube watcher. Bye.